How to ride a Harley-Davidson? Well, the fact that you have one, that's all that matters. We're going to talk about this street glide. I have never seen a bike like this. This is a 2024 Harley-Davidson street glide, a road glide. Or should I say an engine that is a 117V twin? Well, that's not what the most important thing about this bike is. The fact that it has a screen. Can you see that screen right there? It tells you everything that you need. How fast you want to go, what type of bike you're riding, and then some. But also, this touch screen, what I love the most about it, it's not the seat, it's the sound. Look at the style of this light, the details. But you know what? I like the fact that it has a sound that's unbelievable. The new 12.3-inch full color TF10 touchscreen whoop comes with the Apple CarPlay. That's right, to play the music while you just sit back and ride. So, if you're going to ride a bike, well, should I say a Harley Davidson, why don't you use your touch screen and some loud music and get on the road? Well, what's the starting price? Why are you concerned about that? Maybe 25,000, 26,000? It doesn't matter. Get on the bike and touch screen and then turn on your music. Absolutely. I love it. Well, anyway, you can do a stereo upgrades so that you can have it road, sport, rain, custom. It improves your hand controls. So if you're going to ride well with the Harley Davidson. How about that? Well, thank you for allowing me to share. I can't believe this bike has been here all this time. Touchscreen and a sound system. I'm about to go for a ride. Well, I hope you enjoy this. So if you drive or ride a Harley Davidson, what type of bike or what type of sound system would you like? Anyway, I just wanted to share. Thank you so much for listening. Several notable updates and new models for the 2024 lineup, with major focusing on the Grand American touring bikes, ushering in a new era of performance and technology and design. The highlights include redesigning the Street Glide and Road Glide models, plus a special CVO, custom vehicle operations. So, if you want to join in this program, go get your Harley Davidson and ride your way to a new road trip. How about California to Arizona? How about Palm Springs? What about Portland, Oregon? Maybe you want to ride in New York. Well, anyway, I just wanted to share one more time. I'm so impressed with this model 2024, and we're already in 2026. So maybe I need to go look at the next bike. 2025? No, darling. 2026. Harley Davidson. This is how you ride a bike. You ride it with a touchscreen and a beautiful stereo system that can play the music you really want to hear. Well, thank you for your kindness and thank you for allowing me to share. I hope you have a wonderful ride this time. Ride in the wind. Just ride. Have a great day.